Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the integration features and can connect third-party apps like Zapier to automate your workflows. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several icons. Look for the store icon and click on it. This icon represents the HubSpot app marketplace, where you can browse and install various integrations and tools that enhance your HubSpot experience. Once you click the store icon, select HubSpot Marketplace from the options that appear. This will take you to the main marketplace area where thousands of apps and integrations are available. Now that you're in the HubSpot Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in Zapier, then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will filter the marketplace results and show you the official Zapier integration that connects HubSpot with thousands of other apps. The search makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through countless options. Once the search results appear, you'll see the Zapier integration listed. Click on it to open the integration page where you can learn more about what Zapier does and how it works with HubSpot. On this page, you'll find an install button. Go ahead and click install to begin the connection process. This action initiates the integration and prepares HubSpot to communicate with your Zapier account. After clicking install, a new tab will automatically open in your browser, taking you directly to the Zapier website. This is where you'll complete the connection between the two platforms. If you're not already logged into Zapier, you'll need to enter your Zapier account credentials now. This step is essential because it allows Zapier to securely link with your HubSpot account and access the necessary data for automation. Once you're logged into Zapier, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize the connection. Look for the connect button and click on it. This action grants Zapier permission to interact with your HubSpot account, enabling you to create automated workflows, or Zaps, that move data between HubSpot and other apps you use. The connection process typically takes just a few seconds, and you'll see a confirmation message once it's successfully completed. And that's it. Your HubSpot account is now fully integrated with Zapier, and you're ready to start creating powerful automations that save you time and streamline your business processes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.